Hello Orchestra, it's me, Mr. Kelly. I'm going to show you how to make your own staff paper. You don't need music paper already made. You can either use paper that has squares on it, paper that has lines on it, or you can use the back of another music or another worksheet that doesn't have any writing on it. So you can use a pencil, you can use a pen, or I'm going to use Crayola black marker. You can use any color. Actually, let's use a different color. Let's pick, how about blue? So we're going to use blue to make our music. You also need a ruler, or if you don't have a ruler, you can use something else like a binder, and you can use the edge of it. You also can use a folder and use the edge of that also. So you can use like that. As long as it has a straight edge, that's not a problem. So staffs in music have 5 lines and 4 spaces. So I'm going to start with this page because it already has the lines on it. So I'm going to use the folder. So I like to put it like this, so you can go this way, and you want to line it up with the lines. Now, make one, whoops, as I drop the marker, that's fine. Make one line. Now, that's one line. You can make it super big. That would be the next line, and then the third line, and then the fourth line, and then the 5th line. Like that. So you have 5 lines and 4 spaces. Or you can make it smaller and do one line, and then halfway. Like that. So you have 3 lines. It's okay if it's not perfect. If, like, say you're doing the line and the thing moves and it hits another line, that's okay. You can just not use that part. It doesn't have to be perfect. If you've ever seen how like Beethoven or Mozart wrote music, they just scribbled it. So it does not have to be perfect. So say something goes like this and then slips, that's okay. If notes have to go there, you can always write what note it is below it. Let's try to do 5 lines in one line. 3, 4, 5. Oh, there we go. And that looks pretty good. So there, you can make it big, you can make it smaller, like medium size, or you can make it super small. So if you don't have any lines to guide you, then you can make it any size you want. If you're doing with a ruler, you could do, because this is an inch, you could do like 1/2 inch. So before you do it, you could say, I want my line to be there, 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 and there. So those are 1/2 inch apart. And then follow with the line. 1, 2, 3. It doesn't have to be exact. 4, 5. Is it better to do it with pencil? Yeah, but you could do fun and colorful things with markers too. So I used both the folder and the ruler. So that is our step.